Spring is in the air. We are back at it, getting ready for another season on the farm. And of course, you know, winter still here, despite it being spring, but it shouldn't be much longer now before things start to disappear. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. But the chores, they go on. Nothing ever ends on the farm. Alright, not frozen, good sign. Mr. Bull. Oh, push the line. What the? Yep, that'll do. That will do. Oh. Another one. There we go. That should. There, top up for you. Hey, Bubba? Is that right? Don't you look at me like that. Yes. Alright, while that fills, we have other chores to do. Feed level is getting low on the silo. Can't see it piled up against the little window anymore. So we are gonna go up and check it out. So I still have quite a bit of feed in there. It's kind of deceptive because it's really it's pretty big, and it does hold a lot. I think it's 8 tons. So it's stacked up on the side, and yeah, so I still got quite a bit of feed. So. That's not fair. Aha! I have a shield. That's not fair. Oh, here, take this bucket to the silo. Thank you. Well, this is what happens when it melts and stuff, eh? You get all this extra bit now that it's melting. And maybe I'll get the shovel after and we can scoop all this up because it's still good. You want to open it up a little bit for me? A little bit more, not too much. Wiggle it. There you go, that's how you do it. Okay, close it. Perfect. Okay.
I just like pulled it the whole way.
Well, no, she did it right. But then she messed up when she went to close it. She opened it more. And that was yesterday. And that's fine. Things happen, right? You gotta learn. Okay, close it. Good stuff. Actually, maybe a little more than that one. Oh, crap. That's my fault now. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Well, see, it happens very easily. Well, the pigs are gonna get a little extra today. We'll clean that up when we come back for the other pigs. Yeah, they've been fighting their ears. Start pouring water. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Turn it off. Yep, good. I'll move that one since it's heavy.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna fill this one up for them.
The feedy feed?
That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, they get a little bit of feed in their water. Some people just mix the water with the food in the winter for their pigs, and that's how they get their water, right? But we give them a little bit of water extra. We have the water right here at the pigs, right? So we can give them water directly, just like the other pigs. Okay, I'm gonna take that one to them. Turn it off. Yeah, good. Put another bucket in there. Fill her up. Hello, girls. Love is in the air. Hey? Hey, big man. Oh, big man. Who's a big man, eh? You a big man, eh? Hello, hello, hello. Mr. Piggy, give me a dream, ba-na-na-na. This is the best feed that I ever seen, na-na-na-na. Oh, Mr. Piggy, give me a dream.
Can I come in?
Yeah, if you want, sure. The fence is electric though. Excuse me. Coming through. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Yeah. I'm coming to take a look. I brought the hammer. They've been down there. They've been making a path, so. Oh, it's open. Yeah, that's fine. That's perfect. There. Freya, get your boots out of the water, please. Because, yeah, no, this is good. There, you can see all of the ice and stuff. They break that, and they got a little bridge, and they're able to drink from it. And it's ice. It's frozen.
So in the summer they have no bridge.
No bridge. They just go through the water in the summer.
But in the winter, it's perfect for them.
In the winter, it's perfect. Yeah, it always stays open. Maybe outside a little bit of freezing here and there, but this is perfect. This is good. They drink lots of water from that. It's always flowing. All right, we didn't even need the hammer. Hey, it's full. It's full. Hello. Oh yes, is that right? Oh, is that right, Bubba? There you go. My dude.
And like every day on the farm, it wouldn't be complete without a few chores not going quite according to plan.
What the fuck? Okay. Charge that for an hour and see where we get to. I think should be in business. Maybe should be able to. Hey! Edith! Where the fuck you going? Girl! No. All y'all, you gotta get back. Get back, go. Get out of here. Get. Edith! Listen, girl, where you going? Yeah, that's okay. Come on. Turn your ass around. Come on. Thank you. Back. No. No, thank you. Do you mind? Thank you. Oh, yes. Roxy, what a sad state of affairs, eh? Excuse me. Come on now. Thank you.
And to finish off a good day, I thought I would head out into the woods and cut a little bit of wood. I've been meaning to cut up this really nice ash that I've had my eye on for the last little while so that I can dry it out to make some axe handles in the coming year. So I hopped on the sled and headed into the bush.
One ash tree. Future axe handles right there. nice 8-foot lengths of white ash, pretty straight grain. It's gonna make some really nice axe handles. It's gonna be a bitch to get to the trail though. Yeehaw. You bitch. All right, who's the oxen now? Who's the oxen now? If you made it this far, thanks for watching. The support you give really goes a long way to support my mission to preserve and conserve endangered heritage breeds, knowledge and skills, and just to continue living this way and spending time with these amazing animals. Please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video if you enjoyed it, and give me a comment. Tell me about what you thought, how you thought, what you think about the farm, what I'm doing, my mission. If you like it, dislike it, suggestions, options, criticisms, all the sort. I want to hear from you. Yeah, thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Happy farming.